Minasan, Konnichiwa. Today I'm gonna tell you Japanese words and vocabulary. Try to read the following vocabulary in 3 seconds. So let's start. Soil, suchi, suchi. Apple, ringo, ringo. God, kami, kami. Globes, tebukuro. Mirror, kagami. Angel, tensi. Hand, te. Grandfather, oji-san, oji-san. Refrigerator, reizouko. Tree, key. Shut up, damare. Window, mado. Desk, sukue. Mother, ha. Father, chichi. Dog, inu. Telephone, denwa. Watermelon, suika. Water, mizu. Bird, tori. Card, kuruma. Bicycle, jitensha. Japanese, nihongo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.